Hello, friends. Welcome to the training. Today, we are going to learn about the platform or a tool which is to be used for recording, like similarly like Zencaster and Riverside. So to use this application or tool, first we have to register ourselves. That is a sign up process. So simply you just have to click on the sign up process and enter the details as required. So I'll just show you how to do it. So this requires a first name, email ID and the password, and then you can click on the sign up process. So in this case, I have already created my account. So this is my mail ID which I have entered as a mail, and this is my password, so it is always a confidential. So I'll just click on the sign in options. After clicking on the signing option, it will take you to the main page of the tool. Now here there is an option of new recording. So what we have to do is we have to click on the new recording option, and once you click on the new recording option, there is an option of getting, there are two options. One is record now and second is schedule a recording. So if I click on the schedule a recording option, so you have to put a name of the recording, you have to schedule a date and the time, at what time you have to start the recording. So this is a one part of it. Second part is if you want to record instantly you want to start the recording, then in that case you have to click on record now options. So once I have clicked on the record option, it will ask for the few details like name and the camera settings. So I'll just put it camera off, same as system default, and I'll click on join now, join room. Now as an individual host, I have joined the room. What I have to do is to add the users so that we can record the dual speaker recordings. We can invite the guest. Now how we are going to do it, there are two ways to invite the guest. First is either you can simply copy the link, and share it on WhatsApp or message, whatever it is feasible, or on Hangout. Or the second option is you can simply enter a mail ID. You can simply enter the mail ID of a person and he can receive the mail. Once the other person will receive the mail, they can simply click on the link which the guest has received as an link. By clicking on that link, they can join the call. So just we'll share this with the team, with the concerned person, so that the other person can join. So I'm just entering it. So I'll just click on the send option. Once I've clicked on the send option, the other person will receive the email. So other person, when he will receive the email, there is there will be a link in the email which he has to click it and he can join the call. So I'll just ask the other person to join the call. Right. So we'll wait for the other person to join the call. Until the time, I'll just show you the other options as well. So this particular application, we are using the trial version. So in trial version, one login can record only 1 hour of recording, not more than that. So for the multiple hours of recording, the user has to create a multiple account, that each user should create their own account and then they can log in. But again, the benchmark would be the benchmark would be the 1 hour, not more than 1 hour we can record. And there are several other settings also which can be checked over here. So video and audio, so instead of video and audio, you have to just click on the audio only. Sampling rate, leave it as it is. After recording is done, there are two options. Either you can upload the recording during the recording time also, or after the recording is done, you can upload the recordings. So I have selected after recording is done. Automatic mastering, it is not allowed because it will show the post processing. Transcription is okay, that's fine, so we'll leave it that way. So I'm just waiting for the other person to join. So see, the other person has joined the call over here. Hello. Oh, great. So now you can see that the other person is able to record. The other person can able to listen to me. Now, before we start the recording, let's have a conversation that on what topic we are going to record and how we are going to record all these things. Right. So once it is decided, before we start the recording, what we have to do is we can simply click on the record option, which host will be getting an option. So I'll click on the record option. So it is starting. First, the timer will start. Right. So recording has started. Now what we have to do is, in this way, we have started the recording. Now the two persons have a proper conversations, and like For an example, the joined as a guest. Now we can start the recording over here and we can discuss the topic or whatever the domains we are going to cover. Accordingly, we have to do that. After the recording is done, what you have to do is you have to simply click on the stop option. This I have done. Once you click on the stop option, it will ask for the recording name. So whatever the name you have to give, for an example, it is a politics, topic is politics or domain is politics. This I have done. I have to click on save name. Now this is done. After doing this, what we have to do is we have to go to the recorded files. Once I'll go to the recorded files, now you can see here politics and here the live all tracks mix and plus individually are both options are both the person's names are visible over here, right? So this is a wave format, this is a mp3 format. So once you click, if you want wave format to be downloaded, you can simply click on the wave format. If you want to download the mp3 format, you can simply click on the mp3 format. So this is how you can record the uh, audio recordings through these applications. I hope this is very much clear. And again, I'm repeating it that every user can record only for 1 hour, not more than that. So basically, for from one login, I have created my own login. Similarly, is creating her own login, then she will also get 1 hour of she will also get an option of recording only 1 hour. If more than 1 hour is getting recorded, so system will accept till 1 hour. After 1 hour, all the recordings which is done, it will not be fetched, it will not be uploaded, and we cannot get the data. This is how it works. So basically, we can start doing this activity also, and we can start recording from this application. Thank you very much.